Back for part 2 of the gas tank. Show you what's going on. Last time Danny welded both ends onto it and welded the filler neck in the top after I did all the machining and stuff that needed to be done for that and where the petcock bolts in at the bottom. He tigged those welds and this end for whatever reason. I think it was a material issue with the caps that we used. Didn't come out so well. I cut this end off, ground all the weld down, and Danny's going to try to re-weld it with the spool gun. Now Danny got upset with me last time because I showed his screwed up weld, but I didn't show how I screwed up. So I saved it from the trash to show you how I screwed up. He's loving this. You'll remember we took the cap off of this when we welded the ends on so the gases could escape up through here. However, I had already bolted the petcock onto the bottom, and I put these nice little, I don't know what they are, they're gas lines of some sort, up through into the inside where I bolted everything up. Not thinking like, hey, that's gonna get pretty hot when Danny welds that. So yeah, they ended up melting and clogging off the hole where the gas would have gone out. So pulled them off, not gonna need them. Not really sure if this gasket is any good either, but we're gonna try it out, and I'm going to actually put the bolts down from the inside of the tank. I can use a universal and a hex bit to tighten them from the inside, and then the nuts and all the hardware are on the outside if I ever need to change the petcock for another reason. We already came up with the design we're going to use on the next one. Yes, that's a hint, we are building another one when this one is finished, and we will roll with that. Anything you have to say, Danny Dimes?
We out here.
We are indeed out here. I can't even take credit on this one for anything because Danny did all of the work. I just filmed and edited the video. Yeah, he touched up a couple spots on this end that had holes. Can't even tell. It's a little wavy right now, but it's okay. He blended most of it. And then part 3, there will be a part 3. Part 3, we will polish everything up and take it down to metal fab, let Zach laser something on it. I'm not sure what's getting lasered on it yet. But look at this end. New cap, welded on. The spool gun seemed to work out a little nicer, huh?
Yeah.
So, blended that up pretty well. Cleaned up pretty nice. There's a little bit of water in here yet, but there's no fuel going into it for the foreseeable future. So next up on the docket is to cut the knuckles and the spindles for the front steering setup, and then at that point you come back into play, because at that point we can start mocking up the chassis, and this thing might be done by winter, maybe. It's a stretch. We'll see. At Top Quality Fab on Instagram, at Pizza Boy Metalworks, at Horsepower Pizza, and at Cold Pizza Podcast. There's all sorts of stuff you can check out. If you want to support, head over to www.horsepowerandpizza.com. I have a few more of these hats. There's all sorts of new merch coming at the end of October. That will be announced on Instagram here soon. I don't really have anything else to say. Do you have anything to say today, Danny?
Nope.
Nope. And on that note, peace out. Build it for you.